how much should you actually spend on washable, waterproof mascara? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara, priced around $10.82. What caught my attention was its promise of volumizing and lengthening, and it's currently super popular with over 70,000 units sold in the past month. If you want long, full lashes that don't flake or smudge, this is worth a serious look. This mascara is infused with bamboo extract and fibers, which means you're getting lightweight lashes that stay put throughout the day. The Flex Tower brush is a game changer, bending to coat every lash from root to tip, so you won't miss a single one. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Honestly, this is a huge plus for anyone worried about irritation. Now, some users mentioned that they found it difficult to remove at the end of the day. Here's the thing though, while it might require a bit more effort during makeup removal, the benefits of not having smudged mascara throughout the day can totally outweigh that. This mascara is perfect for you if you want dramatic lashes without the worry of smudging. Skip this one if you prefer something that comes off easily with just water. At around $10.82, it's a solid investment for your beauty routine. Now, if the removal issue with Maybelline's mascara bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High, very black. Next up is another Maybelline product, the Lash Sensational Sky High in very black, priced slightly cheaper at $9.93. What stands out here is that it's similar to the previous one, but offers a different shade. If you're looking for deep, intense black lashes, this is worth checking out. Much like its counterpart, this mascara promises length and volume with its unique brush design. The high pigment density is what gives you that striking, bold effect. It's designed to help you achieve that full fan effect without clumping, which means you can layer it without worry. It's also ophthalmologist tested, making it a safe choice for sensitive eyes. However, some users reported that it doesn't hold a curl as well as they expected. I'll be real with you, if you have straight lashes, you might want to use a lash curler beforehand. But if you don't mind that extra step, the payoff is stunning lashes that last all day. This is perfect for you if you love the Maybelline formula and want a darker shade for that extra drop. Skip this one if you struggle with keeping your lashes curled. For about $9.93, it's a solid deal for a high-quality mascara. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want precise lash separation.
Product number 3, L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. Coming in at $11.97, we have the L'Oreal Paris Makeup Original Telescopic Mascara. The name caught my eye because it promises serious length and separation, which is crucial if you're going for that fanned-out look. If you want defined lashes that stand out, this one's definitely worth a look. What's really cool about this mascara is its unique precision brush. It has a flat side that lengthens lashes by up to 60%, while the comb side ensures they're separated without clumps. This means you can achieve that stunning length without sacrificing definition. Plus, it's suitable for sensitive eyes, so you don't have to worry about irritation. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit wet, which leads to smudging if you're not careful. But here's the thing, getting the application right can take a little practice, and once you do, the volume and length you get are well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want to make your lashes look longer and more defined. Skip this one if you aren't willing to put in the effort for the right application. At $11.97, it offers great results that can elevate your lash game. Now, if you're looking for a mascara that gives you that full panoramic effect, keep watching for the next one.
Product number 4, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Mascara. Next is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Panorama Mascara, priced at $12.97. This one caught my attention for its promise of fanned-out lashes that look up to 1.4 times bigger. If you want that wide-eyed look, this mascara is definitely worth considering. The secret here is the multi-level bristle brush, which grabs each lash from the inner to outer corner for even application. The formula is lightweight, yet provides volume and length while being smudge and flake resistant for up to 24 hours. That's perfect if you're out and about and don't want to worry about touch-ups. One drawback is that some people found it doesn't deliver as much volume as other mascaras. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a natural, fuller look rather than a dramatic one, this could be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you prefer a natural finish with a bit of volume. Skip this one if you want extreme volume and drama. At $12.97, it's a bit pricier, but the long wear and smudge-proof formula make it a worthwhile investment. Now, let's talk about our final pick, which focuses on length and volume without the fuss.
Product number 5, Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Finally, we have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Washable Mascara for about $9.99. What I love about this one is its promise of a full fan effect, giving you that dramatic look with ease. If you're after a mascara that delivers both length and volume, this is worth considering. The exclusive fanning mascara brush has 10 layers of bristles that work to reveal every lash without clumping. This means you can layer it up for more drama, which is perfect if you want to build a custom look. Plus, it's also ophthalmologist tested and contact lens safe, so it's ideal for sensitive eyes. Some users noted that it may not last all day without some touch-ups. Here's the thing, if you're okay with reapplying during the day, you'll still love the results you get from this mascara. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile mascara that can go from day to night. Skip this one if you want something that lasts without any touch-ups. At $9.99, it's a great value for a quality product. That wraps up our top picks for washable waterproof mascara.
So to recap, we've covered some fantastic options. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High for volume, the Very Black version for darker lashes, the L'Oreal Telescopic for precise separation, the L'Oreal Panorama for a wide-eyed effect, and finally, the Maybelline Lash Sensational for that full fan look. Each offers something unique, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Happy mascara shopping!